So I've been sitting on this lacewood neck for a while, and one of the problems that I've had with it is that the tuning holes are way too small for the 10mm ratio tuners that I'm going to be putting in here. So I just wanted to show you guys a quick video on how I'm going to re-drill these out for 10mm holes. First thing I'm going to do is find my drill bit gauge, come back and see what size these holes are. These are 1/4 inch holes on the back side and 11/32 on the front side. What I want to do is put a little pin in my drill press, put a 1/4 inch rod on the bottom of it, drill exactly where that 1/4 inch is, and then use this as a template, move this through with the 10mm drill bit and re-drill it. So we're going to go back over to my drill press. We're going to drill down and place our 1/4 inch template, swap out the bit for the 10mm, and go ahead and drill this through, pop it out, and then re-drill it for 10mm.
First thing we want to do here is clamp down my backing board where I'm going to drill the hole so it doesn't move. So I put 2 clamps down here, make sure it attaches firmly to the board. We'll then double check the back of the table here, make sure it's not going to move, it's clamped down. Got my 1/4 inch bit in here, turned it on. We'll drill down to where my plug's going to sit, my dowel. So it's like a 1/2 inch dowel. Make sure it's no dust. Plop this in there. I could glue this in there, I don't need to. You'll see why I said I could glue it in here in a second. We'll just double check this, see how it's aligned. It's looking pretty good. We'll pull out the 1/4 inch bit and put in the 10mm bit. Unscrew the chuck. Tighten it up with the key. Get the vacuum ready so that all the waste is sucked up here. This is a really nice attachment. Used it a bunch of times. Really helpful. We'll flip on the drill press here. Hold down the neck with 2 fingers. And then we'll drill down about halfway. Don't want to blow out that pin. Go slow. Make sure nothing moves. We'll come back up, turn it off, and then the pin pulled out, so we'll push the pin back down, turn the drill press on, and go to the second hole. Again, holding it down with the 2 fingers, making sure it's level. Go down about halfway. And put the pin back in. And we'll repeat this all the way through for the rest of the holes. I could probably go a little bit deeper than halfway, but just the way that this was set up, my guide pin was a little bit long, kept pulling out here. Really, you only need about a little bit more than 1/8 of an inch sticking out. And I've almost got like a whole 1/4 inch or 5/16. So here it looks perfect. Just slow back and forth. Do the 5th hole. Again, drill down about halfway. And finally the pin stuck for the 6th hole. And doing it this way is really nice. I don't get any blowout on the back. Keeps the top nice and clean as well. So an easy way to enlarge those holes with a little bit of a template and a little bit of patience. So I'm going to flip the drill press back on and drill the full way through. We'll just go slow, get it lined up in the hole, and push it all the way through the piece of wood. You can do this with brad point bits or regular bits. This works with a number of different types of bits. That 1/4 inch pilot hole was with a Veritas brad point bit, which are the best. I've loved those. And then this is with another set I got off Amazon, this 10 millimeter. We'll finish out the 5th hole here real quick, and we'll speed you up for the 6th. No blowout, we're looking really good here.
So it's a quick and easy way to re-drill your guitar neck for a different size bit. There's a lot of different plug hole cutters and dowel rods that you can find for the different sizes. You really want your tuner holes to be drilled straight. You get the right pull coming off the string. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.